Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a little tutorial how to connect your iPhone into a Wi-Fi or internet. So there will be two ways to connect your device into an internet or Wi-Fi. So the first way, you just need to go slide your upper screen here on the right side, down side, to access like several shortcuts there. So let's do it. Okay, and now you already arrived in the shortcuts. To connect your phone into the internet, you just need to go click the Wi-Fi icon here, click it to like enabling them. Okay, and after you turning on, you just need to go click and hold them to have an access into the Wi-Fi options. And after that, you just need to go click and hold them again. And now you just need to wait until you have an access into several Wi-Fi, and just click and choose which Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. That is the first way. So I would like to give you the second way. So the second way, you just need to go click into settings, and now you just need to go in this rows and go click Wi-Fi, and you just need to find out which Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. And after that, you just need to go enter the password from the Wi-Fi and go click join. That's all the way how to connect your device into the Wi-Fi. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you today, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.